In addition to a photo, you can now set a video as your profile picture on TikTok. Let's get right into the process without further ado. Open the TikTok app and access your profile by clicking on the profile icon. To change the profile picture, click on the Edit Profile option. Now, choose Change Video to set a video instead of the current photo. After a few seconds, videos from your phone will appear. Select the video you want to set by clicking on it. As you can see, my video lasts for 30 seconds. TikTok for a profile video only accepts videos with a duration of up to 6 seconds, so keep that in mind when selecting a video. Wait for the video to upload. And your video is set. Like the video if you enjoyed it and join our digital family by clicking on subscribe.